Hello and welcome to the Savi Boardroom here in London. My name is Miles Eakers and it's the 17th of March 2011. I'm going to take a quick look at the financial markets and what's happened overnight, and then take a quick look at the day ahead. Okay, so overnight the dollar yen plunged from, but did recover from a record low of 76.25, and Noda Yasana said the yen rise is driven by speculation. Yasana, Noda and Adano all watching the FX moves closely. And Adano says the economic fundamentals are not shaken by the quake. Yasana says unlikely to see large GDP contraction, and says there's no need for the government to buy stocks from the market, and also says that extra budget for quake relief is needed. The total damage will exceed the 1995 Kobe quake. Yasana also says that he wants psychological support from the G7, and Japan financial institutions are not repatriating. That's from officials. The G7 financial ministers discussed the Japan disaster and the FX issues involved, and they've also said that central banks to hold a phone conference on Friday. That's from Noda. Fukushima nuclear plant radiation levels are receding, and Obama says that the US will give full support to Japan's reconstruction. Guidance says there is no alternative to raise US debt ceiling. From China, the People's Bank of China says the advisor urged China to relax controls on the exchange rate, and says the official says that big yuan rise is unacceptable. That's from the media. Australia's urged the citizens to consider leaving Japan wherever possible, and the New Zealand finance minister says the budget surpluses delayed a year by the quakes. Okay, now looking at the day ahead, we have some EU data out at 10 o'clock, with the main focus being on the Eurozone construction, with the previous reading being minus 1.8%. In US trading, we have the US dollar consumer price index at 12.30, with the market expecting a 2% read year on year, and excluding goods and energy, a 1% read. There's more US data throughout the day, including the industrial production at 1.15, with the market expecting a 76.5% read, followed shortly after by the Philly Fed at 2 o'clock, with the market expecting a 30 read. That is it from us here at Savi. I hope you have a good day and good luck trading.